We will find the number of rows and the number of students in each row. X equal to number of students in each row and Y equal to number of rows. Therefore, the total number of students will be X into Y. 3 students extra in each row means number of students in each row is now X plus 3. 1 row less means the number of rows is now Y minus 1. To find the total number of students, we have to multiply X plus 3 into Y minus 1. Can equate this to X into Y, the total number of students we found out earlier. Use distribution law and rearrange to get a linear equation in X and Y. Three students less in a row means the number of students in a row is now X minus 3. 2 more rows means number of rows is now Y plus 2. Multiply X minus 3 and Y plus 2 to get the total number of students as before. The total number of students in the class is XY, so we can equate X minus 3 into Y plus 2 and XY. Use distribution law and then rearrange to get a linear equation in X and Y. So we can use elimination method or substitution method to solve for X and Y. To use elimination method, we try to eliminate Y. So we add the two equations. On adding, we get X equal to 9. We substitute X equal to 9 in either of the equations to solve for Y. Here I am substituting X equal to 9 into the first equation. Solving Y equal to 4. So number of students in each row is 9 and number of rows is 4 and total number of students is 9 into 4 equal to 36.